So again, good day. I'm Eric Jan Ruiz Bobias, a BSCS2 student. So for this video naman is it is about the circular single link list. Kanina is yung isa is about the double link list. So ito naman is circular single link list. So for this is sa normal na code ng C++ is nag-i-include tayo ng input and output stream which is the IO stream. So, ang gamit ko palang up here is cxxdroid that has the template of Dev C++. Hindi man siya fully na or hindi man siya kompleto pero yung template niya is pang Dev C++. So, I included also windows.h for the color ng every choices or in every line and hindi siya background na ginawa ko. And the include I include also string for the password and the name. So here struct circular single link list. So we use the standard library na natin which is the namespace std. So here in circular single link list, eto yung if we create a node here until dito sa may excuse me until here sa may close na bracket from the struct circular single link list until before int menu is if we enter nodes sa may program natin. So sa may menu natin, so I included here the system color for the colors in every lines. So ayan, in every lines I added colors. So color number 7, number 2, number 3, number 4 and number 5 colors. So at here, etong mga siyaut na to is the choices sa program natin. So void create list here is if we created the list, ito yung magpapakita. Or maybe sa may part ng dito sa may void display is if we display the number of lists or number of nodes na ginawa natin. Here, ito yung code para doon. Ito yung number 8, yung display the list. So, ayan. And I included here also yung sinabi ni sir na para mag-appear yung memory address. Di ko alam kung anong tawag doon but I think memory address yon. So dito I included the temp to next para magpakita yung memory address niya. Here naman void insert at beginning is the code for the insert at the beginning in the list or in the choices. And insert at the end is the code for the insert if we insert a node at the end and at the mid naman here. Then we have the enter position if we want to enter a position. Kumbaga nasa gitna siya or malapit sa beginning or malapit sa end na node. Then delete at beginning, delete at last and delete at mid na code for if we want to delete nodes. So here nag-switch siya into cases here sa baba sa may menu. So ay sa may main. So in here int main we added the username and the password para pag nabigay niya yung kumbaga I give already the password which is the decoder 123. If mali yung password niya is magpapakita doon incorrect username or password, please try again. If correct, magpapakita successful, have a great day and it will jump into the main program. So here's the case says in each sa my list na insert at beginning until and I added here the default for the case statement, that if we inserted um, or inputted a number na wala sa choices, so magpapakita here is yung default na the number you inputted is not in the choices, and then yung system pause is press any key to continue yung nakalagay dyan. So let's try to run, and here if we inserted our name, with John, and the use password is decoder 123, then it will jump to the main program. So here, so if we want to create list 1 and we want only 3 nodes, so 34, 44, 43, here it will display list created. So if you want to display the list 8, so we have here 8, the list, the content of list from left to right is 34, 44, and 43, and we have here the numbers and letters combined na parang yung memory address of the nodes. So here if we want to insert a node at the beginning, we choose 2, and then enter data is 54, and magpapakita doon node inserted at the beginning. And if we try to display again, we have here already the 4 nodes. So if we want naman to enter a node at the end, which is 3, here enter data is 23, and it will appear na the node is already created or inserted at the end of the nodes. So let's try to display what is the NAS is 23. So we have already 5 nodes. So if we want to delete naman at the beginning, we choose 5. So we choose 5, enter your choice is 5. So node deleted again, dalawang node na yun na delete natin. So we have already 3 display. So ayan, we have already 3. If we want to delete again node at the last, which is number 6, so node deleted. And if we want to try to display, we have already now 2, because na dalawang pindot ko yung choice kanina, which is the 5 na delete at the node from beginning. So if we want to insert a node at the middle, so wala nang middle to. If we want to insert we try to insert node 4, then let's say 56, and anong sabi ay position pa pala. So we enter position number 3. So position of list is not a middle position because we have 4 lang. We have 2 lang na nodes, and number 3 is the last position in the nodes. So hindi siya pwede sa middle. And if we want to delete node from the middle, which node is number 2, magpapakita dyan, it is not a middle position because we have only 2 nodes. So we have only 2 nodes. So that's it. If we want to exit, yan, exit program finished. Hindi siya mag-exit kagaya ng sa may dev C++ in the computer or laptop. So magpapakita lang dyan is program finished. So that's it for the circular single link list. I hope maganda siya. Hindi ko siya masyadong maano kasi yung ibang template ng dev C++ is wala dito sa may app natin. Sabi lang is template of dev C++, but pero hindi siya kompleto kasi na-try ko na. Like yung reading files sa may memory ganon is hindi siya magpapakita unless we inputted another code na magre-read ng file. So, ayun po. That's it for this record and thank you.